Once upon a time, there was a person relocating to a village and he was wondering if he would like it there. So he went to a Zen master and asked, "Do you think I will like it in this village? Are the people nice?" The master asked back, "How are the people in the town where you came from?" "They were nasty, greedy, they were angry and tried for cheating and stealing." "Those are exactly the type of people we have in this village," said the master. A day later, another newcomer to the village visited and asked the same question. The master said, "How are the people where you came from?" "They were sweet and lived together and respect each other and they were seekers of spirit," he replied. "Well, those are exactly the same type of people we have in this village," said the master. "You see, in your life, whatever you see in the world will see you. Hope good, see loved, and the world will see the same. But if you only see the greedy and nasty part of people, that is what they will see in you. So be good to the world will be